Hello dear students, class 10th. In my previous class, I had sent you how to write notice and application. Now in this video, I would like to inform you about the poem. In this poem, The Bridge Builder, there was an old man who was very unselfish, kind and honest regarding the future of youngsters. For that, one day he was walking on a highway and by walking he came at the evening. It becomes evening. It was too cold, and at the time of evening it was dark. Okay. By walking, he arrived in that dim light to the chasm. Chasm means a pitfall, a huge stream which can be cause of fall of any inexperienced youngster. As it is been told by youngster that they are always careless. So, being an old man, he was cautious, alert and alarmed, and was very experienced regarding the way he was walking on. When he arrived near the chasm, he became cautious and passed that chasm or stream easily. But he thought that this chasm can be pitfall of the youngster who are following him. So he decided to make a bridge on it. So the name of this poem is The Bridge Builder. You will see an old man going along highway came at the evening cold and grey to a chasm, vast and deep and wide. You see there, the whole chasm was deep and vast, and he arrived there when it was evening, and due to the evening the light was dim and it was too cold to bear. However, he found that chasm and crossed it. He gone across it easily. And how it all happened? Only due to his experience of the life. And after it, he decided to make a bridge on it. So this poem is known as The Bridge Builder. He made that bridge for the youngsters who were inexperienced and following him. So it shows his honesty, hard worker and unselfish. Sometimes we think that if I cross the chasm, why I need to make such a bridge on it? I don't need it because I can pass over it easily. However, he could not think so, and he decided to make bridge on the stream, and he did it by his hard work. Now you see, the sullen stream had no fears for him. The stream, the wide stream that had no fears for him. The stream that was flowing very fastly or swiftly was no fear for him. But he turned when safe on the other side. But when he crossed the next bank of the river, he decided, I will build a bridge to span the tide, to save from the tide. Old man said, a fellow pilgrim near. A pilgrim who was a traveler, pilgrim means a traveler, who was near to him, he told him that I will build a bridge. You are wasting strength with building here. Your journey will end with the ending day. He told the old man that your journey is over now. You don't need to make such a bridge on it. However, he decides that no, I have not to make bridge over the stream for me. I have to make bridge for my followers, for my youngsters who are inexperienced. You never again must pass this way. You have crossed the chasm deep and wide. Why build you the bridge at the eventide? So why you need to make such a bridge over the stream? However, you have crossed the bridge easily. The builder lifted his old grey head. You know better. The old man is very old, and his head moving or shaking side by side all the time. He cannot lift his head all the way straight. However, he lifted his head high and said, good friend, the path I have come, he said, the way I have come, he said, there followed after me today. There would be so many youngsters will pass over it, and they are following me and they are coming on this way. A youth whose feet must pass this way, and I know many youth will pass over it to cross the stream. This chasm that has been not to me, this is not fear to me, but it is fear to youngsters. So I will build a bridge over it, as it will help all the youngsters to cross the bridge. To that fair-haired youth may a pitfall be. He too must cross in the twilight dim. I know that in this twilight it is very difficult for any youngster to be careful and cautious to cross this chasm, and they are always careless on walking. So many of them can fall in this pitfall of stream. But if I make bridge over it, that will help them to cross the stream without any problem. So he decided to build a bridge on that chasm. Good friend, I am building the bridge for him. So he replied to his young pilgrim, young traveler, that I am not building this bridge for me. I am building this bridge for the youngsters who are following me, who are coming to this bay to cross the stream, as it is been notified by the old man that in dark it is hidden, and if it is hidden, youngster can fall in that pitfall and it can be cause of their death even or injury. So to defend them, to save them for their safety, I have to make a bridge on this river that will help them to cross the bridge easily. So what did you understand in this poem, my dear students? In this poem, there is an old man. The old man is unselfish. The old man is honest. The old man is dedicated. His life for others, his life for youngsters, and all had happened due to his experience that he earned throughout his life. And he remembered such experience when he arrived near a chasm at the evening in the dim light. He understood the situation that during the time when we are young, we create so many mistakes carelessly that is caused so many harm to youngsters. Through his experience, he understood the situation. He remembered the followers. He remembered the youngsters, those were following the same way, and he decides, I cross the bridge easily, but it can be harmful for the youngster. So he decides to make a bridge on that chasm, and he did it. But before it, a young pilgrim asked him, you passed that chasm easily, so why you need to make such a bridge on it? He told him that I have to make that bridge for my youngster. I know that I can cross one side to another side easily, but youngster can be fell down in this dark hidden chasm. Chasm means pitfall, a huge stream running under the pit. So I have to make this bridge not for me, for the youngsters, those who are coming to the same way following me. I know that I don't need to make it. However, being as a humankind, I have to make this bridge for the youngster. So, in this short poem, my dear students, you read it, you get it, go through it, and you will find that in this poem, a bridge builder will help you to understand line by line. There is no such difficult words in this poem. However, I am going to give you summary of this poem just after the video. You can get it tomorrow, and you will see there are some difficult words and their meanings along with the summary of the poem. So tomorrow there will be no video, only you have to read the summary of the poem, and you can go through the audio and video of today to understand this short poem, A Bridge Builder. If you have any queries, dear students, you can put your queries. Many such a times I have found no one give or put their queries in the comment box, so I need to give your comment on the comment box. Thanks for the day. Have a nice day.